Alright, what's up guys? So I am here at an undisclosed location, but this is an old abandoned sugar factory. And this place is huge. So we'll get to that in a minute. Now, before you guys go saying, oh, you're trespassing, I actually got a special permit that says I can be here. And it's right here. Special permit. I can be here. Now, before you go saying, oh, that just looks like a gas receipt that you wrote that down on yourself. No. It's signed by Sinclair, and he has a pet dinosaur in his driveway. Big green pet dinosaur, and you don't mess with people who have pet dinosaurs. Son of a... It all makes sense now. Dinosaurs, fossil fuel. Get that son of a... He's been trading his pets in for gas. Oh, I'm never going there again. Alright, anyways. Get over that. Let's explore this place and check it out. So we'll just kind of start walking this way. But this place is kind of open to the public. I mean, pretty much, you know, because there's not a door. So it seems open to the public to me. And, you know, you got a lot of weird graffiti and stuff. So I apologize if you see any bad words. But a couple of them here are okay, and some of it's tasteful. See, like over here, we got some angel wings. That's pretty neat. And then we got a motorcycle over here. That's kind of neat too. And I don't know what a lot of this stuff is. And then let's go. Oh, what's that NASCAR driver's name? There's actually other people here too, so they must have gotten a special permit as well. And then there's more stuff over here, so we'll go check that out. Well, holy mother of Pete, that's a big stack. So they had some kind of furnace in here. Oh, why not? We're here. Let's check it out. Hold on, I'm turning the light on. Okay, so instead of turning the light on, I'm actually just gonna crawl in. So that's not weird that I'm inside a furnace. It goes up about 150 feet. That's pretty neat. Not weird at all. Yeah, that's pretty neat. And I'll take a step back when I go outside so you guys can kind of see how tall it is. Okay, so now that I'm out of the furnace, this is what it looks like from the outside. That's pretty tall. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, so right here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 6 holes right here where they had stuff that they put in holes with, you know, and did that there. 7 holes that they did stuff and things with there. And well, they got more holes that they put more stuff in over here with too. So we'll go check out these holes. And those are good looking holes. Just look at those. They're so big and round and neat. There's a basement down there too. So I'll see if I can get down into the basement. Oh, hey, look. Down in the basement. That looks like a tetanus shot. Waiting to happen. I don't think I'm up to date on my tetanus shot. I don't know. These stairs look fine though. We'll go up the stairs. Okay, so I made it up the stairs. And I was wrong. Those stairs are not safe. The good news is I gotta go back down though. So, man, so many different options. Let's figure out where we're gonna go. So this is the second floor. And I got more stuff with more holes in it. And all that stuff, yeah. Lots of holes in the floor. It's definitely reassuring. It's good. Man, this place it's pretty neat. What could possibly go wrong? Keep going. Well, I just might. Well, I did what the stairs told me to do, and I kept going. It's definitely not OSHA certified. But it's still pretty neat. So, I'll walk over here and then get you guys a view of this without my face in it. So this is the third floor. And, you know, it's just more stuff and things. Because we like to get real technical. But now this place isn't really all that secluded at all. Like not even a little bit. Because there's somebody's house right there. And then there's kids playing on dirt bikes and four-wheelers. So, you know, oh poop, more stairs. All right, well, let's see what that does. So now I'm on the fourth floor. Super sketchy. No, I mean, there's really a bunch of cool stuff in here, but it's super sketchy. Yeah, hold on. Okay, so I got all this stuff here, and it's all pretty neat. No railings, none of that. You can see straight down, long ways down. Man, this place is really cool though. Glad I got that special permit. So, yeah, I mean, if you got the sack for it, you could really do a pretty cool photo shoot out here. Oh, wait, yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I'm on the fourth floor, and then that's the smokestack I was in earlier. Just to get an idea how tall that is. That's really tall. But there's a couple more places here, so we'll keep going and checking that out. I'm not going up those stairs because that's the stairway to heaven. Because, you know, yeah, well, you get it. Okay, well, we're gonna go back down and then see what we can find. Okay, we're back down on the main floor. They got covered most of this. Yeah. No. Just kidding. It's back here. It's a secret. It's a secret room. No, it's not a secret room because there's not even a door. We're gonna go check it out. Okay, really nothing crazy in here. We'll go look at the other one. Okay, nothing really too crazy here either. Yeah, seriously though, you could spend all day doing photo shoots here. That'd be neat. Try to find a spot where I could stack my Jeep somewhere on top of something. But I'm not really seeing a whole lot. But yeah, man, this place is awesome. All right, so I think I'm gonna be wrapping this up here. Yeah, oh man, this place is so neat. Just keep looking so you can get the whole thing. Yeah, just look at that. How neat is that? So neat. So much better if somebody was here with me to see this. Did I say that out loud? Shit, didn't mean to. Alright, I'm gonna wrap this up and we'll see you at the next one. Okay, bye.